Woohoo! It's fucking early. It's really early. Freezing. And she's loaded up. Hey? Oh, they're not in there? They're right there in front of you, mate. Yeah. We made it. We're in the booth with the painter. Ready to get the job done. And it's freaking early. It was cold, eh?
Still drunk.
So that's going to be a good paint job?
Yeah.
Bloody oath. Well, we'll mask her up and we'll kick it off.
Fuck around the pussy. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck.
What are you doing there, mate?
Let's go to my first choice. One choice. It's the best choice.
Spot priming all the spots. Almost ready. All masked up.
What? How far out is it?
The whole
thing?
Yeah. That's the silver that we're going to lay on the top. That's the one that we just laid down. It's a lot better. Ready to lay down the most important one, eh?
Great.
Too hot. I don't know. Why is that? I can make it 3 hours if you want. Round 3.
Leave like a YouTube in there or something.
Yeah, I think so. We're slowly getting there. Coat number 3,
Yeah.
and then clear.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see what it looks like.
Hopefully it looks alright. If I was painting it, we would have got it done by now.
And we would have been redoing it right now.
Number 3. good stuff. You're gonna mix it up.
Stuff.
And you're gonna put it on there, mate. It's gonna look mint. Clear, ready to go on. What? Is there anything you'd like to say?
Why are you always filming me?
Because you're that good. And everybody wants to see you paint, so. If there's anyone out there that wants a paint job, just hit him up.
Yeah, hit me up and I'll tell you you're fucked.
Coat 3. Alright, let's flick that bad boy on and we're going to bake it and leave it for an hour. Time to bake. Back home now, going to unload it. take her inside. There she is, guys. I'll tell you what, it's been a pretty big day, but we got the job done and it's looking awesome. How good is that? Time to pack her away. Well guys, it's been a very, very busy day today. That's pretty much going to wrap this video up. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up, comment, and share the video with all your mates. Tell you what, that paint job turned out sick, but guess what? We've still got to put the whole car back together, put all the bumpers on, a few more bits of painting. That'll be out in the next episode. Until then, I'm buggered. I've got to go. I'll see you later.